It's amazing that as soon as I came out here to the countryside in Romania to take out our buggies on a crazy off-roading trip, that I immediately calmed down and I don't have a worry in the world. Fascinating. It's like nature's natural medicine. Now, on Monday, I was having quite a stressful day. The markets fucking collapsed. I lost a shitload of money. My trading strategy was not performing as well as I thought it would. And I started doubting myself. And I started thinking, shit, am I really on the right path here? Naturally, I think any man has doubts. And anyone that tells you that they don't is lying to you. Because you'll see a lot of people online and they'll be proposing a certain lifestyle that they have. And you'll probably think that they're so unbelievably confident that they've never had a doubt in their life. And that's complete bullshit. Because every man, no matter how strong, how wealthy, how much conviction, how much confidence you have, will have doubts in their life. That it's just human nature. You're only a human being. How could you not have any doubts? How could you constantly be confident about your path and always have complete and utter conviction? Now, I would love to have that. I would love to have unwavering conviction and be untouchable at any particular moment, but that's just not realistic. And the more I find that I am honest on my channel with people about my vulnerabilities, the more I realize people get closer and I get better engagement on videos where I'm being completely honest about the fact that money doesn't make you happy, about the fact that you drive a flashy car and within 5 minutes you're kind of over it. For me in particular, materials don't really matter. For me, it's all about the connection to other humans and contribution, the impact that you're going to make on this in this world. Anyway, back to the subject matter here. I am in the Romanian countryside. We're taking our buggies for a mad off-roading trip. This shit is so much fun. If you saw my Instagram stories last night, you'd see that we were literally whipping through the mountains at 4 or 5 a.m. We actually got stuck at 5 a.m. and we needed one of the other buggies to pull the other guy out of like a meter of snow. It was fucking brilliant, to be honest. This is a very different place than where I usually stay. I mean, I'm a city boy. I grew up in London. I grew up in North London. I went to university in London. I worked as a city boy in London as an oil trader. I then, spent a lot of time traveling the world, going to big cities, not necessarily going on nature hikes. And, I was never exactly a nature, I wasn't studying it. Wasn't exactly so into the concept of wildlife. And understanding it deeper and spending more time alone and more time in isolated places. I was never really about that. Perhaps with age and with maturity comes a sense of a search for inner peace, right? Now I search for much more inner peace. Yes, it's nice to have money. Yes, it's nice to have wonderful relationships. Yes, it's nice to be a somebody. It's nice to be adored, or it's nice to contribute to society. Of course it is. I'm not doubting that. But you know what's even nicer? To have inner peace and to come away somewhere like this and to completely disconnect. It feels like a massive weight off my shoulders, to be completely honest. It really feels like I can come here, I can come out to the Romanian countryside, and it could be any countryside anywhere. It doesn't have to be the Romanian countryside, right? In England over Christmas, I was in the countryside with my family, and again, it was just so peaceful, and even the people there operate differently. They're so much calmer. So now if you guys, if some of my subs you live somewhere remotely and you live a peaceful life, there are definitely some positives you need to take from it. Now, there are obviously some negatives too. And my philosophy is always about balance, right? I'm not an extreme person. I don't believe anyone should be too extreme. Unless you're trying to change the world, unless you're Elon Musk, then you can spend your whole day working. That's fair enough. The rest of us need you to be like that. Or, for example, Brian Johnson, who I massively admire, who's breaking boundaries when it comes to health. We need people who are extreme in that sense. But I'm not an extreme person. I'm not chosen to be. I've chosen a life of balance. I've chosen a life where I can bear the fruits of my labor and enjoy all the different terrains, whether it be forest, mountains, beaches. And coming out here in nature yesterday, immediately as soon as we got here, as soon as we had this feeling of holiday mode, this feeling of just like being away from your daily routine, that shit just cured me immediately, cured any stresses of mine, cured any doubt that I had. and just put me in this wonderful place. And my thoughts just completely changed. I'm fucking super relaxed here. Not thinking so much about work, but more importantly, not stressing about work. Just thinking, okay, it's gonna work out. Now I can completely detach. The key here is this detachment from my work, detachment from the outcome. Since coming here and just being completely isolated, and it's just us and the mountains and these buggies and just literally flying up snowy roads at 100 kilometers an hour, which is fun as fuck. I'm so present in the moment that I forget about the burdens of society and the burdens and the desires that I have, right? This literally takes me away from my desires of making more money or being anything that a masculine man, anything that an ambitious masculine man really seeks for, which is peace, financial wealth, community, some level of recognition. You know, some men that do work in this world, they want to be recognized. Don't think that they don't want to be recognized. Elon Musk absolutely wants to be recognized. He doesn't want to just be left in the dark. But anyway, coming out here to nature has just been absolutely special. And I highly recommend it. I do think nature is the finest natural medicine that a man has. You can come out, you can be peaceful, whether you're alone or whether you're with close friends of yours, seeking detachment from what society thinks is success. Because what society thinks is success is basically money and fame, to be honest. Society doesn't push health, contribution, community, family. Certainly Western society doesn't push that. Because when I moved to America, especially when I moved to Miami, you're cool in Miami if you have money and you're good looking and you've got a level of status and you're important. That's literally what makes you cool in Miami. But the same things don't really apply here in the Eastern world. You know, I think what makes you cool in the Eastern world is being a family man, community, having your shit together. Obviously having money, but like you don't have to be rich around here. You just have to be a man of principles and values. And so it's so lovely having this balance between living in the big city and then coming out here. And this makes me realize I want to spend more time in nature, more time in beautiful chalets like this. This is so unbelievably peaceful, and it's made me rethink about, I'm such a city boy that I need to get my ass out of the city and spend more time in these places to find that peace. And this kind of stuff will probably help me do better in my career, do better with my financials, right? Like I'm not working out here and just like so worried about what I eat all the time. I've kind of let a bit loose, you know, like fucking biscuits for breakfast, chocolate cookies for breakfast, just like let go of it sometimes, you know? So this is really a great chance for me to just completely let go of being such a tight ass and being so connected to my, you know, so attached to the outcome all the time. Being here has really just been like, bro, just drop it for a day or two. Don't drop it your whole lifetime, but just drop it for a day or two. It's been completely healing, and it's made me realize I have to spend more time in nature, and that for my personality type, it's going to work better for me. And even if I want to work, then I can come away and work in places like this that will give me a level of peace. Maybe I should stop spending so much time in the big hustle and bustle of the cities and plan to spend more time in nature where I completely disconnect. And I can imagine that the same would apply to you. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. If you also feel the same way and you resonate with me, please leave me comments and let me know how come you feel the same way. I do read all my comments. I also speak to my subscribers on a one-on-one basis when I have time and outside of my work and my busy schedule. So I do reach out to you guys, and I would love to connect with people who are feeling the same way and who can also relate to the way I'm currently living. Peace.